purchased this GoPro Hero 10. It's about 4 days old. When you first connect it or first turn it on, it asks you to upgrade, which I've done. So it's running the latest software, which is version 1.10. The only problem I've found, now if I try and use the shutter release button, it doesn't work. It doesn't work on video. It doesn't work on photo. And it doesn't work on time warp. I've done a factory reset on it. That didn't change anything. It's doing exactly the same. But the strange thing is I've got the quick capture is set to 1. So if I turn the device off and then I push the record or shutter release button, it starts recording. So there's no problem with the signal coming from the button itself. Then I can't stop it. So it's not letting me stop. The only way is by turning it off. However, if I turn it on and then I control my GoPro from the app, if I push, what's this on? Video. Push record, it starts recording. Push stop, it stops recording. And it does the same for if I want to do a picture. It takes the picture. I will leave it to the powers that be to hopefully find out what's going on. Thanks very much.